Hello techies, we are in lab 5.6.3 and we are going to configure URL blocking. So you are the security analyst for a small corporate network. After monitoring your network, you have discovered that several employees are wasting time visiting non-productive and potentially malicious websites. As such, you have added PF Blocker NG to your pfSense device. You now need to configure this feature and add the required firewall rules that allow block specific URL and prevent all DNS traffic from leaving the LAN network. So in this lab, your task is to sign into pfSense using the details provided below. You're also going to create a firewall rule that blocks all DNS traffic leaving the LAN network. Alright, so let's go ahead and start up lab. And in case you find this video to be too fast for you, I apologize for that. You can always pause this video occasionally and work at your own pace. So let's start up. We input the username and password provided for pfSense. So we just copy this and paste here. So we copy the password also. And we paste this here. And we click on sign in. So we go to firewall, scroll down to rules, and we'll go to LAN, and we go to add. So for the actions, we're going to change this to block. For the protocol, we change this to UDP. So let's scroll down. For the source, we're going to change this to LAN net. And for the destination port range, I'm going to change this to DNS 53. And the description, let's see the description what we have. So we're going to copy this and just paste it in here. We'll paste this in here and we'll click save. Apply changes. Alright, so for this, we'll go to protocol and change this to UDP, and destination, we're going to change this to LAN net. And for the destination range, this is going to be DNS 53. And the description, so we just copy the description and paste in here. Alright, so we just copy and paste this in here and we click save. Alright, so we apply changes here and apply changes. Okay, let's move this here and click on save. Alright, so let's come to under destination. So we go to firewall, PF Blocker NG. We're going to enable. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Then we click save. And DNSBL. For this, we're going to enable DNSBL, DNS virtual IP. We're going to impute the credentials provided. Alright, so for this, we're gonna, okay, let's just copy and paste this here. And so TLD blacklist. For the TLD blacklist, we are going to impute this website. So we just copy and paste the website here. So the TLD whitelist, we have our list here. So we'll copy from our list and paste here. So we'll copy, then we'll come here, we'll paste it. So let's go ahead and score lab. And in case you find this video to be helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Comment any question you have. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in the next video.